make you pop. You wanna stop. Make you pop, make your mark. I know you wanna stop. I'll make you shine. Pack, 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 pack. Make you pop to the rolls. I know you like to move. Put your arm on the back. I know you like that.
Round, square, visor, the usual shapes that we're talking about camera islands. Realme has set sights of bringing it a more personalized look. Realme GT8 Pro is the brand first smartphone with interchangeable camera housing, which allows you to change the look in a few simple steps. The GT8 Pro's deco features two torque screws on the side which hold the module in place. The system appears to be magnets, allowing you to instantly snap it into housing and attach the screws to secure it. Realme reveals it will offer all sorts of design, including square, round, robot styles. Realme also said it will give you a chance of 3D printing their own camera island design, as it shared a 3MF model file and is holding a competition for the most creative designs and collaboration with Maker World. GT8 Pro is not only focusing on looks, but is also pretty capable camera setup that's headlined by Ricoh-tuned main sensor. That will mark the official start of the Realme Ricoh collaboration. GT8 Pro's 50 megapixel main camera is a 1x1.56 inch sensor with f1.8. It features a Ricoh GR full frame compactable focal length of 2840mm. You can get access to Ricoh's GR iconic photographic tone, positive, negative, high contrast, black and white, standard and monochrome. The main image is backed by 65mm equivalent 200 megapixel periscope to 3x optical zoom with 12x lossless zoom. It has a 1x1.56 inch ISOCELL HP5 sensor with f2.6 aperture and feature dual axis OIS stabilization. The third shooter is the 16mm equivalent 50 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.2 and 160 degree field of view. Video recording tops out at 8K 30 frames per second. The rest of the specs is also great. You get a flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 Extreme Edition SoC with 16GB of LPDDR5 5X RAM, 1TB UFS 4.1 storage and custom R1 graphics chip. It has a QHD plus resolution screen with 144Hz refresh rate with 2000 nits of brightness in typical condition and 4000 in local peak conditions. 32 megapixel main camera, 7000 mAh battery split between two silicon carbon battery. Wired charging tops out of 120 watts and wireless charging at 50 watts. It is 8.2mm thick, which is slimmer than last year's model. It comes with IP68, 69 and 66 ingress protection boost, Android 16 based Realme UI 7 out of the box. It comes in white, green, blue color starting at $562 for the base model and $730 for the top tier model.